Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair extension video. Yes girl, well I told you guys that I was going to give my hair a rest, and I did. You know, I did a good couple of months rest. So I have a couple of promotion coming up with the different companies, and I really want my hair to look pretty and long and fluffy the way I like it. I was not going to put in the taping extension right now. I was going to be without at least through like a fall or so, but you guys can see my hair is, you know, relatively healthy, and it grows a little bit. They last on your hair from 4 to 6 weeks, like 4 to 6 weeks, and normally that's, for me, it's when, you know, my hair grows fast. Some people can go from 6 to 8 weeks. So depends, you know, if your hair is oily, or, you know, some people they stay longer and some people they tend to slip out faster, and mine normally they come out faster. It's like for me 6 weeks should do. So this extension I'm going to be sharing with you guys is from this company. It's called Amazing Beautiful Hair Extension, and I think I reviewed the extension on this channel before. The extension are so beautiful. So I told them that I was going to do a sit down video when I just first got the hair, so because I feel like when I don't have the hair installed, I can actually show you guys closer how beautiful the hair look. It's just easier instead of being applied already in my head. But after I apply this extension, I'm really gonna give you guys an update and show you guys how pretty it looks. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I get. You know, if I don't have the hair in yet, so, you know, if I don't have the hair on my hands, I'm okay. But when I get them, I just get so hyped to have them in. And if you guys can see, I was scared before they come that they was not going to match my hair right now. When I got them, I was so surprised. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe that that looks, you know, so as close as you can get to my natural hair right now. And, you know, so here is my natural hair, and here you have the extension. So, you know, after I put them in, if they need like a little tone on the color or something, I will have my stylist do, just maybe, you know, without touching the tapes. It's doable. So today I have here, that's how the hair comes packed. This packed is come like this is a 18-inch, and this pack is 18-inch, and here is supposed to come 20 tapes, 20 pieces of hair. So I'm gonna take out of the bag so you can see better. Yes, and here is the extension. I just need to make sure that they are 20. Normally I put 4 package of them on my hair, but this time, since I'm not planning to keep the hair for so long, you know, I'm just gonna keep it for 4 weeks or so. Then I'm gonna go back to the clip-in extension that I love it and I use all the time. Sometimes even for my short hair, I still have a set of clip-in that's shorter, that's just cut it to match my hair that I put in, just, you know, to get extra volume. Well, today I don't have nothing because I just want to show you guys how my hair is. So I don't have nothing in it. It's all mine, the only one I have. It ain't much, but that's all I got. So so here you have, so I have 60 tapes here. That's 3 sets of 20, and here is the hair. Oh my god, one thing that I always look for hair when I'm looking for the quality of the hair, I like to grab the hair like this and then do this, because if you have like any like a breakage or damage on the hair, you're gonna like all stick out. And you guys can see that this hair is so healthy. It's amazing, so beautiful, so healthy, and the color looks fabulous. And this hair is 100% remy human hair, so you can color them, you can dye them lighter or darker the way you want it, you can cut them, you can style them, you can do pretty much whatever you want to this hair, because it's just like your hair girl on your head. So and one thing that I love about this hair too is the tape. It's very good. It stays actually in place very well. So I got two sets of 18-inch. That's the two 18-inch here, and I have this one that's 20. So I'm planning to put like the two 18-inch around, you know, my like face and sides of my head, and the 20-inch I'm planning to put in the back. You know, even though looking like this, I'm used to put 4 packs on my head, it looks such, you know, it doesn't look much, but you know, if you grab the ponytail, you see that's, you know, it is enough hairs. You know, I'm just like, you know, paranoid that I like a lot of hair, but this is really a good amount of hair. So I'm gonna have this installed, and after having installed, I will give you guys updates and show you guys how it looks installed. And so I'm very excited. Time to change. All right, so I'd like to thank you, Amazing Beauty, for sending me this taping extension for reviewing. And I did use the extension before, that's why I can say that they are fabulous, and I can't wait to get them in. So yeah, thank you so much. Your hair is fabulous. Shipping was very fast. I remember it took like I don't know, almost less than a week for me to get the hair, so that was fabulous. It was faster than I was expecting. So yeah, if you guys have any question about the hair, I will gonna link the link for Amazing Beauty hair extension down in the description of this video, if you one of you guys like to just check them out. You know, they have a lot of different kind of hair. You know, I like the tape in, and I like the clip-ins too. So but you know, they have a weft and different kind of hair for different kind of extension that you want to apply. So just check them out. They have a great prices, and they always have like a sales on the site and stuff like that, where you can get amazing discount and money off of your hair if you decide to buy. And this hair can last you, this hair you can use up to 3 times. If you're like me that takes such a good care of your hair, I always wash my hair extension with a sulfate free shampoo, and I always care for them the same way I care for my natural hair. You know, so when you do this hair can last you, because let's say like in 6 to 8 weeks, when your hair grow, so they come down, if you want to just can take all them off, retape them, and just put them right back in. That's the way how good they are. And like I said, if you treat them well, use a good sulfate free shampoo, and if you minimize the heat on these, they're gonna last you longer. So if you have like a natural pretty straight hair, it's not my case, my hair is curly, so this is flat. So if you don't have to put heat on them, they're gonna last you even longer, but you can style them as much as you want. So that's all for this review. If you guys have any question about Amazing Beauty hair extension, please drop in the comment below, and I see you guys next video when I actually have hair on it. Bye. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, join the family, stay and go. I hope you like my channel. I'd like to say thank you so much for my every time subscribe. I love you guys to the moon back. See you guys later. So on the beginning of this video, I told you guys that I was going to give you guys an update when I put in the hair extension from Amazing Beauty for hair, but I filmed that video yesterday, day before yesterday, and yesterday I got the extension put in because I have a promotion that I'm doing with another company, and I wanted to look hot for it. I know that's stupid, but so I got the extension in, and this is what they look like after installed. They are very beautiful, and first when I got them, I wasn't sure that they were going to match the color of my hair, but it matched perfect. I didn't even have to do anything no even like tone down or do anything. I literally just got them installed. So that's what they look like in the hair, and I told you guys this is Remy hair, 100% human, and they look beautiful. And this one is so they are looking a little bit like a way down now because I got them installed yesterday. Yes, so I don't supposed to wash my hair for like at least 2 days after you put them in. You gotta wait for wash your hair. So I put them in yesterday. I didn't wash my hair today, and I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. So after I wash and style the hair, it's definitely gonna look, you know, more shinier, more pretty, because it just a little bit wear down now. So but it's beautiful. I will gonna link the link below for Amazing Beautiful Hair, because the extension are very beautiful, and you guys know I would not share with you if it wasn't gorgeous. So, and that's the tape hair extension. If you guys are not familiar with the tape, they oh, here I have a little tape in here. So this is the extra tape that they send us for, in case, you know, if you want to slip out, you can replace. So these little white tapes here, you know, 2 of them is 2 extensions sandwiched together, and your hair in the middle. That's pretty much what it is. And what I love about this hair extension is how natural they look. Some of the extension methods, you can, you know, they can be bulky here on the top of your hair, but this one it just lay flat against your skull. And this one I had put in here in the front in like a kind of an angle as your head curved, so it just give this beautiful fall, since my hair is shorter underneath, so you have a long hair in the front here, and you can be seamless. So that's all for this video review. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any question about this extension or about Amazing Beauty hair extension, please drop in the comment below, and I will get to you guys as soon as I see your comments. Alright, so see you guys next video. Love you, bye. Thank you for watching.